Welcome to Module 2 of Managing Your Priorities. This program is appropriate for first level and emerging leaders. When you are ready, click Next to begin this module. The learning outcomes of this module are to identify personal challenges to managing your priorities, and to analyze a video example of challenges to managing priorities. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Let's take a look at a worksheet titled, Personal Challenges to Achieving Your Priorities. In your participant guide, turn to the Personal Challenges to Achieving Your Priorities worksheet. Please take a moment to review this list of common challenges, check any that apply to you, and add any others that you experience. Set a timer for 2 minutes, complete the worksheet. When the timer goes off, you may advance to the next slide. Let's debrief. What major challenges did you identify? Was it one or more of the following? Layers between the requester and yourself. That the one constant is change. Your inability to say no. Messages muddled as they're passed down to you. Frustrated by too many demands. On the back of your worksheet, take 1 minute to identify your top 3 personal challenges. Set a timer for 1 minute. When the timer goes off, you may advance to the next slide. It's time to take a look at a video example. This is the first video in a series of 3. Dominique is an engineer who needs to manage her priorities with her colleagues Klaus and James. Follow along with the transcript in your participant guide, and then press play when you are ready.
Good news. I just sent you the questions.
What else could they want? And Gas Giant's the most elaborate RFP I've ever seen.
The proposal was run on target. Thank you for that. We're in the next round with only 2 other vendors. They just have a couple questions, that's all.
I'm looking right now. Man, these are so technical. I have no idea how to respond.
Well, don't we have access to software with hundreds of RFP responses?
We do, and I used it for our original proposal. These are so detailed. I mean, somebody's got to write the responses.
Well, who can do that?
I don't know yet. Wait a minute. This is due tomorrow? That's insane!
It's only 6 questions.
And you received this email last week?
You know I do have other accounts. James, this is a huge opportunity here.
I understand that, Klaus.
What about Hector?
Oh, he's in India. He's got all-day meetings, and it's almost midnight there.
Okay, Dominique.
Yeah, but she's buried right now.
Well, who has the expertise?
All right, I'll talk to Dominique.
Thank you, James. Now, please make sure you send what she writes, okay?
Hey, I'm just your humble servant.
As it should be. Taxi!
Hi, James. What's on your mind?
Hey, just calling to see how you're holding up this month.
You're such a sweet guy.
Remember the Gas Giant RFP?
Oh, yeah. How did that go?
We made the cut. Just 3 vendors left.
Klaus must be jumping for joy.
Yeah, he didn't actually jump.
Why not?
Oh, Gas Giant still has technical questions about the new product.
Ah, I see. Well, Hector designed it, right?
No, he's in India. There's no way he can do this by, tomorrow.
What?
Gas Giant's a huge opportunity.
You want me to answer a bunch of technical questions by tomorrow?
Come on, you're my last hope. I just sent you the email.
James, you know what I'm up against this week.
I do, and so I'll do whatever I can to help you take this on.
I don't know this product. I'd have to do some digging.
You're the only one who knows where to dig.
Let me think about it. Then let's talk.
Great. You got 10 minutes for lunch?
All right.
See you at noon.
Let's debrief the video. Click each question to the left to reveal possible answers. Great job! It's time now to explore the skills and strategies that can help us meet our own challenges. Click the X in the top right-hand corner to exit this module.